The first thing you need to do is to create your base image. So for example, this is the face we want to keep consistent in our images. When creating your first image, make sure that the face is visible just like what you are seeing on the screen. Do not worry about the clothes the person is wearing, because I'm going to show you how to change the clothes, change anything you want to change. To show you that this method works, let me show you some images that was created using this same method. First, take a look at the base image, then take a look at this other image. This is when he was eating. Now let's take a look at this other image. This was when he was arrested. You can also change age. Take a look at this image. This image is when he was 18 years old. So you can see that the face is still the same, but he looks a bit younger here. This image that you are seeing, this is when he's sitting with another person in the story. See, the face is also the same. Then this is when he was enjoying his life according to the story which I was working on. So if you follow this process I'm going to show you in this video, you are going to create your consistent character using ChatGPT. Now let me go ahead to show you how to do this. But before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel. You can use any AI image website to generate your first image, or you can also use ChatGPT. After generating your first image, then you need to open a new chat on ChatGPT, and then you need to come here and click on this add photos or add files. From here, we need to add first photos. So for these first photos that we are going to be adding, is going to be the first image that we generated, which is our base image. I'm going to select the image and then I'll upload the image. So after uploading this image, I can make this person now to appear in different places with different outfits, anyhow I want it to look like. So now I'm just going to type in this so that we can see a physical example of this. So here I want this woman to appear in a dining eating. So please, you always remember to add your image size, because most times the AI will forget to use the 16:9 aspect ratio for you. Now let's send this image and then we'll see the outcome. And just like this, you can see this is the image of her eating on a dining table. So you can see this is the first image, and then this is the second image. You can see the same outfit, the same hair, the same face. So let's just change our outfit and let's see if the face is still going to be the same. I'll also demonstrate why she's interacting with other people. So you are also going to see if the face is also going to be the same. So we are going to change the outfit to her wearing a suit. So you can see this is the image of her wearing a suit. You can see the face and the hairstyle is still the same. Now let's generate when she is interacting with other people. So from here you can see this is the image of her talking to her children. So you can see the face and the hairstyle is also the same thing. You can change the hairstyle also if you want to change that, and also keep the face consistent. As you go on, if the AI seems to forget the face, then you can also upload the image again and still start from there. So this is just the way you keep the face consistent in any scene that you want to create your image in. So after creating my consistent character, I also went ahead to animate my images so that I'm going to have that human feeling while people are watching my video. If you want to animate your character, let me quickly show you how you can animate your character. Come over to openart. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the video description so that it will be easier for you to access it. When you come to this website, on the left hand side here, you will see videos. Click on videos. Then you are going to see this. So from here, these are the little settings you need to do. Just come over here. This is where you select the model you want to use. On openart, we have different video model. We have different AI models. We have Kling 1.6 pixvars. We have pixvar 4.5. VO2, we have Kling 2.0. We also have Halo Live, Halo Standard, and there's a lot here. The one I've been using is the Kling 2.0. So you just select Kling. Then here you need to upload your image. Then after your image is uploaded, then scroll down, and then from here you can enter a brief description of what is happening, what you want to achieve with this image. So for this image, I'm going to say add motion. So I'm going to just add motion to the image. Then I'll come down. You can add audio from here. There's a new feature available. You can add sound. You can add auto speech. So I'm going to come down, not adding that. Then you select your duration from here. So for creativity level, let's take it to 0.7. So I'm going to select just 5 seconds. You can select up to 10 seconds. Then come down, you can enter negative prompt here if you want that. Then I'm going to click on create. And after some few minutes, you are going to have your video ready. Let's take a look at this video. So here is the outcome of the video. You can see the motion, there's no distortion at all. Now you can come over here where you see download as, click on it, and then you download this as MP4. And this is how you create something like this. Please guys, I put in more effort to create this video, so I appreciate if you can like the video and drop a comment under this video. I'll see you in this video here.